In this painting, I am sharing challenge by using one color and two brushes to etch your winter painting. As per your wish, able to use any one of your favorite blue and add little titanium white mixing well together for our sky background and apply top on the canvas board from one side to another side. Step by step, gradually come downwards. Here, I'm just adding some white with this previous blue and just continuing the same sweeping horizontal brush stroke. And here segregate the 1/3 of the canvas. Here we are going to create the water body. Same horizontal brush stroke, fill the colors in it. Now creating the base of land and distance tree to the first creating outline of horizontal line and edge line to the base of land, then fill the color in it. Here creating distance tree, holding the brush vertically and tapping motion just step by step one side to another side. Small broken organic tabs, apply repetitive dabbing motion to build dense texture and three-dimensional foliage. Using long bristle linear brush dip with black acrylic just to create the distance trees, trunk, branches and tiny branches to vary the direction. In this painting, I am not giving more precise details, just a fun way, just create the painting and try your own. First, you try simple pattern of paintings and just to focus on your process without expectation, so no need to compare others. Always your inner soul's voice is raising that sound from the heart of all your paints, so never forget it. Now create the snow bed to the base of the land using the same flat brush and holding the brush horizontally, just using short horizontal brush strokes from edge to inward step by step. Leave here some dark space to the shadow part when creating the snow bed here. Heavier overlapping steps for the shadow areas at the bottom in between. Now creating snow accumulation on the tree trunk, creating the 3D effect by dabbing blue toned white on the shadowed side and pure white on the sunlight side to dab thick titanium white onto the top of branches too in a light dabbing motions, keeping the snow heavier on the lower branches. Few tips I am going to share here. I am making tall tree structures of silhouette. Remember that snow tilts in gaps, making the tree narrower, painting the trunk and primary branches. Ensure branches get thinner as they move away from the trunk. Point 2. To make snow fluffy and thick, allow the layering of the dark tree branches to dry completely fully before adding the white snow to prevent it from turning grey. Point 3. Identify the light source with lightning and shadowing part. Light source thick titanium white, shadow source add little blue with white. Apply a light blue with to add the shadowed side of the snow and white to the side facing the light hitting. Point 4. Creating snow to the dense of snow accumulation. Try to paint in shorter strokes for the best coverage in acrylic painting. Don't press too hard on the brush while you are painting. Give strokes gently without giving and adding any pressure. Whenever you feel hard to paint, wet your brush with water before painting. Now creating floating snow on the water. Just to create the consist of irregular chunky shapes of ice floes. Start with dark underpainting that sit to the under part of the snow bed on the water. To sketch the sharper of the floating snow beds, avoid uniform circle, give them jagged, soft and irregular edges to look more natural. Apply pure white onto the edges where the light hit directly. Just another one tip, just adding little bit lemon yellow, whiter than white highlight.